Trainmasters Productions. Today we will be filming my trip at Nicholas Smith Trains and Toys. So let's get rolling. Here are two antique gas pumps they have in front of the store. Here are some routes for subways. Train stuff on the wall. Really, paintings, horns, lights. Cool. Oh, that's the infrared sensor inside.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi. Tomorrow.
Here's a G-scale. Here is the engine rack.
This one's yours?
Yes.
Here is the engine rack.
I have a number of things to carry here.
Oh
We
yeah.
have trolleys, Thomas and Friends Christmas. Oh, what is this?
I can help you. No.
Oh, a generator.
Let me help bring stuff down. I mean, let me carry this down for you.
That's a nice Vistadome car. Be nice to get that. Here is some track. Excuse me. Sorry, that's the infrared sensor. That it's like an alarm when someone enters or exits the building. Okay. Here is the post-war / MPC era rack. Lionel American Flyer. Lubricants. Screws. Bumper tracks and scale. Thomas and Friends Elton scale. By the way, I've started an HO scale. Here's some Bachmann stuff. A wheel cleaner. But I'm pretty new to HO. I've ran HO before. Here is some Athearn stuff. Bowser. Inner Mountain. Here's the N scale stuff. Oh, there's a Bachmann streetcar. G scale. Some vehicles. Here is my favorite place. This is one of my favorite places in the store. They have Lionel, MTH, and Atlas cars. I buy a lot of my Atlas stuff here. I actually bought a PS2 hopper car from here. Hold on. I have a car that looks exactly like that. But I actually have a review on that Atlas PS2 O-scale hopper car. There's some Williams stuff. Bachmann. But yes, they do have a lot of Atlas stuff. And that honeycomb box over there, that is the XMTH tooling, because Mike Wolf sold the company. Mike Wolf is the founder and was the CEO, but he sold the company, and to keep it in business, he needed a lot of money, and that involves selling a lot of tooling. Masterline stuff is, they have more details and are more delicate, but are also more expensive. Trainline is a little more rugged, less expensive, and plus, it is, yes. Oh, that's the vintage whistle house. There's a display. Here's some MTH stuff, Atlas stuff. Steam Era Classics, those are from Steam Era. Here is some scenery, ground cover, farms, trees, rock making kits. Oh, that is a track bed. It muffles sound. That's what it does. Because I knocked on it and I didn't know what it did. Wow, those are some nice telephone poles. But I didn't know what they did, so I knocked on it, and now I found out what they're doing. This is pretty cool. Just plug, they're illuminated. Here are some displays. You can see Norfolk and Western Jeep and a SW1. ENSF tank car, that's nice. These are definitely MTH. Nicholas Smith is in Broomall, Pennsylvania, right by Firebird. Oh, here's the bottle of MTH's Proto Smoke. Here is some more HO stuff. This is nice, though. I know for Western Hopper. Cool. Here is some Thomas and Fred stuff. Here is Toad the Brake Van, tank car, and another tank car. Here is some Athearn stuff. Here are some cars. Here is some Lionel accessories. Those are some nice trailers. Fast Track. What's this? I'm not sure what this is. I'm not sure what that is. Okay. Oh wait, well, hold on. There's some Lion Scale stuff. That's nice. Real King, Lino stuff. I actually got a gondola here. Actually, some buildings, a plumbing building, a tattoo shop, and a fireworks shop with... Oh, here's the layout I mentioned. There is a shed with a bumper, the Lionel water tower, a Polar Express command control speeder. Oh, yes! And then there's this section, too. Hold on, let me just show you. By the way, the whistle I mentioned, this does. That's a pirate ship. This does. I'm not sure what that does. This turns on lights. That's a track work. Rail crossing. This is the whistle. Here is a legacy system, Lionel's Legacy Man system, Lion Chief remotes, and some transformers. Here are some sets. Here's what they have their sets. I really like the Amtrak Acela. That is nice. Work train, cool. The BNSF Coltrane set, I actually have one of those. Billboards, G-Scale, Rail King, and Lionel. Here are some post-war inspired cars. Here are some G-Scale engines and cars. They're very big. They're pretty cool. Some Jeeps, GP30s. Yes, GP30s. And Alco FAB units. This was a great video. I think this was a really great video. I'm really happy about the way this came out. Oh, by the way, here's a fast track. But I'm really happy the way this came out. I'm the Model Train Master, and I'll see you next time.